Now to conduct the ceremony, I hand over to Toastmasters Nehal Sawant.
Thank you, President DTM Cajetan Barreto. Well, it is my privilege to conduct the club officers installation for Kuwait Challengers Club. At the outset, on behalf of the area and this club, I thank the outgoing club officers for the work you have done in the past year until June 30th, 2021. The outgoing officers have been discharged from their duties and responsibilities as officers of the club on June 30th. May I now request the incoming officers to be spotlighted by the moderator in the following order: the Sergeant at Arms, the Treasurer, Secretary, Vice President of Public Relations, Vice President Membership, Vice President Education, and the President. I'm here to install the officers of Kuwait Challengers Toastmasters Club and to prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club strong, dedicated to helping people from all walks of life to speak in an effective manner, listen with sensitivity, and think clearly, creatively. I will ask the President, DTM Cajetan, to hold the gavel on behalf of each officer, since we are in a virtual meeting, as a symbol of leadership, as I briefly describe the challenges he or she must meet and the responsibilities he or she must fulfill. Thank you. The first officer, the Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Jamaluddin Sheikh. Yes, he's here.
Yes.
You're responsible for club property management, meeting room preparation, and hospitality. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will perform my duties as a Sergeant at Arms to the best of my ability.
Thank you. The next officer is the Treasurer. Toastmaster Dinesh Kumar Pal is the Treasurer of the club. You are responsible for club financial policies, procedures, and controls. You will receive and disburse, with the approval of this club, all club funds, pay to Toastmasters International all financial obligations of this club as they come due, and keep an accurate account of all transactions. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. We move on to the Secretary, Toastmaster Rashid Khan as Secretary. We have Toastmaster Rashid Khan here today. Since he is absent, I will only read out his responsibilities and we will move on from there. The Secretary will be responsible for club records and correspondence, and I assume he will perform his duties to the best of his ability. As the President being the witness over here, he will ensure that happens. We move on to the Vice President Public Relations, Toastmaster Priscilla Dias. Toastmaster Priscilla, you are responsible for developing and directing a publicity program that informs individual members and the general public about Toastmasters International. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Thank you. We move to the Vice President of Membership, Toastmaster Dimuthu Etugula as Vice President Membership. You are responsible for planning, organizing, and directing a program that ensures individual member retention and growth in club individual membership. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I, Dimuthu Athugala, as the Vice President of Kuwait Challengers Toastmasters Club, will perform my duties at the best of my ability.
Thank you. We move on to the Vice President Education, Toastmaster Nazima Khani as VP Ed. I can see her here. You are responsible for planning, organizing, and directing a club program which meets the educational needs of the individual members. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. And finally, we pass the gavel to the President, Toastmaster DTM, Cajetan Barreto. Having been elected the President of Kuwait Challengers Toastmasters Club, you are its Chief Executive Officer and are expected to preside at all club meetings and at all regular and special meetings of your executive committee. It is your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their educational goals. It's also your challenge to see that your club helps the area, division, district, and Toastmasters International to meet their goals. Please accept the gavel as a symbol of your leadership and dedication to office. The gavel is a symbol of the power and authority given to you by the members of this club. Use it wisely and with restraint. You are a member of your team as well as a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It's an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thoughts, and action of all members with the common goal of achievement, sharing, and mutual support. Work with your team members to create a healthy, dynamic club, a club of which everyone is proud. Will you, as president, accept this challenge and perform your duties to the best of your abilities?
I, distinguished Toastmaster Cajetan Barreto, will do my best as the president of Kuwait Challengers Toastmasters Club.
Thank you. It is now my pleasure to declare these Toastmasters installed into the offices to which they have been elected. I request the club members to give a big round of applause, turn their audios on, and give them an applause for taking up these roles as a service to the club. The growth and development of the Toastmasters program in Kuwait Challengers Club depends largely upon the actions of this group. On your honor as men and women of Toastmasters, do you pledge to individually and collectively stand by this club, live with it, and work with it throughout the coming year? This question is for the members.
Yes.
Great.
Yes, we do.
Wonderful. So these are your newly elected officers. I request the president to say a few words or a few lines for the club.
First of all, thank you for giving me the trust to lead this club. And as a club, we will do our best to be what we always have been for the last 5 years, a club that is respected and considered one of the best clubs in the district. And as a commitment to you, area director, that we will contribute towards your growth, to the area growth, to the district goals, and make sure that as we transition away from what happened in the last 1 year, and you can see it right now, the experiments that we will do to get our members back to what we used to be as Toastmasters, to stand and deliver. That is our promise in Kuwait Challengers. And there is one more thing that I would like to share with all of you all. About a week ago, our Kuwait Challengers Toastmasters Club YouTube channel became, what I should say, eligible for monetization.
Wow.
And this is something that even districts would aspire to do. Most districts would have something like 200, 300 subscribers. Our channel has now has 1,000, almost 300 subscribers. And there is a lot of interesting videos. In fact, some of the content of today's meeting, I will upload on YouTube. Do share with your friends the interesting topics that are available on our channel. And that way, it will help us to fund some of the activities during this year. Isn't that great?
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.